Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorials how to change length of lines. For example, I will draw a rectangle in here. We set dimension into 100, 100, press enter, and then use Tool Tools to convert into 3D. You also can set dimension with these tools. I will set in here dimension. Okay, set again at this point. Now, if you want to change length of these lines, these two lines, you can use move tools. Click this icon move and select this edge. Like I will move into this point, I will set into 500, press enter. So to be automatically changed into 600. You also can check again in here, like I will set into these points, like I will set into 100, press enter to be changed into 200. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp tutorials, how to change length of lines with these move tools. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.